Hi everyone, my name is Sophia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what's in my purse video, what's in my bag video, and these videos are something that I used to watch all the time when I was younger and I first started watching YouTube videos. They're literally so great, and they're kind of making a comeback, which I'm so excited about because I watch these again all the time. And I found a lot of essentials and new things that I like to have in my bag through these videos, especially now. And honestly, I love being prepared. I have everything in my bag. I'm always prepared. In my car, I always have basically everything that I need. I just like being prepared. I like having little different things that I might want or need, or someone else might want or need. And that's just kind of what I've always been like. I've always had a bunch of stuff in my purse. So this one's kind of jam-packed, but it's also because I have a water bottle in here, which I'll show you guys in a second, I guess. But yeah, so definitely a nice little big bucket bag sack thing. This bag is actually from Boohoo, so it's a really affordable bag, but it's honestly really good quality and I am obsessed with it. I got it recently and I've just been wearing it all the time. It goes with a lot of outfits, maybe not like particularly my hoodie today, but I was running a bunch of errands and that's why kind of this is jam-packed. And yeah, I love this bag. It's, again, super affordable, but it's also super cute. It has this little handle, which I really like, and then it has a long strap. I basically always buy crossbody bags because I just like having them, especially for when you run a bunch of errands and you get home and you have a lot of stuff in your hands and stuff. It's great to just kind of drape this over. Also great for traveling and just all that stuff. So I really like crossbodies, but this one's really cute and it's just a bucket bag. And when you open it up through these little strings, you kind of just open to a big like sack, and that's kind of what it looks like inside. So let us go through it, I guess. Basically, I'm gonna go through like the biggest stuff first. So I don't know why it's at the bottom. I think it just kind of fell down there, but I have a water bottle. Shout out to Ozarka, Texas. Yeah, I actually am in the market for a like hydro flask or something that will keep my water super cold and I can keep it with me all the time. But right now we've been buying these. I don't know, our Kroger has those huge jugs that you can get like to refill water for your home and stuff, because we don't really like the water from our fridge. So yeah, but if you're from Texas, you know what Ozarka tastes like, and I honestly really like it. So yeah, I have a water bottle. I have to have water on me at all times. There's literally no exception to it. I need water. It helps me with like anxiety too, because like, I don't know, I just get flustered when I don't have water and I get like nervous and stuff. So I like to have it at all times. Other thing that I obviously have at all times, sadly, this is just something for me that's essential. It's my phone. So I have, this is my phone. That's my background, super cute. It's from my sister's wedding. Pictures of me and my sister. And this is my phone case. This is from Lonely Ghost and it just says text me when you get home, and it's orange and it's cool. Everyone comments on this. I do get it. I would comment on it too, actually. But yeah, everyone comments on this. It's super cute. It's not the most protective case in the world, but I really like it. I also really like Casetify cases and I have a bunch of those. So yeah, I love cases. I love my phone. Great. Another thing that I have every time I go out is my keys. Everyone comments on my keys and they just have a huge problem with them. I don't have a problem with them. I obviously don't like that they're so loud, but like when you hold them, like they don't make any noise. But it's really nice to have them in my bag so that I can find them when they make a lot of noise. And I have a push to start, so it's really not a huge deal that I have a bunch of keychains. But yeah, I drive a Volkswagen, so I have my key. I have this little Hamza hand that my mom gave me. It's a symbol of protection, so I really like to have it on me. And then my bag was about to tip over. Great. Then I have this. It's the Little Prince. My sister got it from me from Paris. I have this that says Los Cabos, which is from Cabo, obviously. I have a Carvana keychain. I have this A that's from Hobby Lobby, I believe. And it's just like a tortoiseshell A for Alonzo. And then a little teddy bear from Miami and a little Florida Sunshine State license plate. Then I have not one, but 3 masks. I have 2 cloth ones. This one is from Old Navy, and it's just really thick and really nice. And my mom recently washed them and literally ironed them. So I just have them in my bag. I don't really know. And then I recently got a Skims mask. Super excited about this one. I just really like it. I don't know. Got a Skims mask. And then I have this just disposable black mask. I've been wearing these a lot because they go with my outfits. But yeah, stay masked up, please. You know, especially if you're going out. So yeah, I'll go from biggest to smallest now because like now we're kind of in the middle of my bag. So the first thing that I see is my wallet. This is my wallet. It's from Kate Spade. My best friend Vanessa got it for me for Christmas, and it's just black and it has like card slots and stuff on here, and then inside it has room for like cash and receipts. I have some receipts. Let's go through them really quickly. This one is from this place that sells daiquiris, I don't know, from Marble Slab. Love Marble Slab. It's from Chick-fil-A. We love Chick-fil-A. This one is from my dermatologist. Haven't gone there in so long. I don't know why I have that. And then this one is from a car wash. Fun stuff. I also really like this wallet because it has room for like putting stuff in here, not just cash, but like you can put like a lip gloss and stuff. So I love that I can just take this and use it as a wristlet. When I'm not wearing a purse, I'm wearing this and just grabbing my keys and going. I really like that. I literally specifically said like I really want a wallet with a wristlet. So she came through. Thank you, Vanessa. But yeah, then I have this pouch I got like while I was in high school as a gift or something. So I don't really know where it's from, but I just have essentials in here, or not essentials, but like things that I really like to have on me. This is the Cerave Healing Ointment Skin Protectant. It's really good for when you have dry patches or something like that. I really like it. I have super oily skin, but when I get like dry patches around my nose, I just put that on and it's kind of gone in a heartbeat. So yeah, this is my favorite lip like gloss slash like lip balm type thing right now. It's expensive for no reason honestly, but it's honestly great. It's the Jouer Lip Enhancer. Yeah, the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer. It makes your lips look so plump and juicy and nice. I love it. Again, it's like kind of pricey and I probably won't repurchase it. I don't know, but it's just amazing. Like it really is. Then I have this. This is my hand sanitizer from Milani. This is not the only hand sanitizer I have in here, you will see. But this is the Rose hand sanitizer from Milani, and it has 68% alcohol. I know it's supposed to be, I think, 70%, but this is pretty close. So yeah, and it smells so good. I love that it smells like roses. It's just the best to have like a nice smelling hand sanitizer because the other ones smell so disgusting. But yeah, I love to have a hand sanitizer on me at all times. So important. Not just because of corona, but because of just germs and stuff, because like you never know where you're touching. Then I have these 2 little fragrance things. This is the Daisy Marc Jacobs Luminous Body Lotion. It's just a little mini that I got with a rollerball. It came in a set, and this is the Luminous one, so it's kind of like shimmery, super cute. But yeah, and then it comes with this rollerball. And I love rollerballs that have the spray. I think that's so important to me. I don't know why, but I just love when they have the spray. So I love that, and the scent is amazing. And then I have some more essential things. My blotting papers, super oily skin, great. These are really great. These are the Live Fresh brand. Also, if you see my nails look literally broken, I took my acrylics off and they kind of ruined my nails, but it's okay. But yeah, these are the Live Fresh Natural Oil Absorbing Sheets. They come with 100 here, and they're really big, so they kind of last a really long time. And then I have some Moon products, the little dental brand, like they sell toothpaste and like all that stuff, and whitening things. These are stain prevention teeth wipes. It comes with 1 wipe in each. I have 2. These are just great for like after you drink coffee or soda or something, to just kind of clean out your teeth a little bit and like prevent stains. Obviously you're not brushing your teeth with this, but it's good for staining. So yeah, and then I have these Pop and Breath mints in the mint flavor as well. These are just fun. I saw them online and I wanted to get one or two. I think I got two because I've already tried them. But they're just like Pop Rocks but mints. I don't know, they're funny, they're cute, and they're honestly really handy to have on you. So that's what I have. Then I have my sunglasses case. This is from Shein. I have some sunglasses in it. Every Shein sunglass comes with a case, which is great because the case is really nice. But yeah, these are the sunglasses that I've had on me for, you know, recently. It's just brown tortoiseshell. You guys know how obsessed I am with sunglasses with my sunglass collection. I have a lot in there, and a lot of them are still on sale that you can buy because they're from like Amazon and Shein and stuff. So definitely go check it out because I love sunglasses, and I think that I have really cute ones that you could go and, you know, cop. Another shout out to Vanessa. We literally realized that we didn't have any tissues, so we just got a bunch of napkins. So I have those in my bag for some reason. But yeah, great. Next thing is something that if you have like a struggle with your contacts and you wear contacts and stuff, you're gonna want this. This is from Amazon. I am obsessed with it. It's this little kind of diamondy, not diamond, what is this? Hexagon shaped little shape thing. It has a mirror, and then inside it has a mirror, and then inside it has this little mini thing for solution, a glasses case, or not a glasses case, a contacts case, and then those little like tweezer and suction things for when you can't take out your contacts, which honestly I've never used, but I think are really, really helpful if you have nails maybe. But yeah, basically I always have issues with my contacts, and sometimes I end up taking them out. I normally also keep my glasses on me, but I don't have those. But this is just great. Honestly, it really is great, and I have always needed to like kind of adjust and add solution to my eyes when they're dry, so it's great to have this little thing to kind of be there for me. Another thing from Amazon that will also be really helpful for anyone out there that really likes to drink things from a straw. There's a lot of restaurants that don't have straws anymore, have ugly paper straws that like suck, or that just have straws that you might not really like. This one comes in this little case. It's kind of like an AirPods case, and it comes with a cleaner as well that also closes. Oh my god, it makes that noise that like bothers me. I cannot open it right now. But yeah, it just folds, but it's a silicone straw. I hate metal straws. I don't know why, they just like ruin the taste for water and stuff for me. So I like silicone straws, and these are just great because they just kind of close and you can clean them and reuse them. They're also great for like college people if you're going to campus and you need like a straw or something. Awesome. And for the environment. So I love that. Really great. Awesome stuff. This came with a Casetify case that I got my brother-in-law Canston for Christmas. Sorry Canston that you didn't get these, but I wanted them. So yeah. They're just phone wipes. They're like these like alcohol cleansing dry wipes for your phone to remove excess dirt. And then there also is, I think there's wet wipes. Yeah, there's a wet wipe in here. So wet and then dry. And you can just sanitize your phone and remove dirt and all that stuff. I don't even know how I lived without these before, because like they're really great, especially nowadays. So if you're my friend and you're watching this, when we go out, let me know. I'll give you one. But yeah, I love being like prepared. Then I have my scrunchie. This is also from Amazon. I love Amazon. You guys already know I have a bunch of Amazon favorites. This is from Amazon. It came in a set, and they're just like Sherpa scrunchies. I love these. They're so cute. And they're just awesome because I love scrunchies. Speaking of glasses and contacts and everything, my glasses get dirty and I don't want to scratch them, so I always have this koala cloth on me. I also have the koala cloth solution. This brand is great because they make microfiber cloths, and there's a cute little koala, but they make microfiber cloths that are really, really awesome. Don't scratch your glasses and clean them super, super well. So I love this, and I definitely recommend it for anyone that like always needs to clean their glasses, but they can't because they're gonna scratch them with like a towel or something. Great to have, and they come in like a pack on Amazon that you can get. Then we get to my plethora of more sanitization wipe things and cleaners. I have all of this hand sanitizer. This is Purell. I was with people from out of town recently, and they like told me how hard it was to get Purell. So I guess I really lucked out with finding Purell at Walgreens. But yeah, I have Purell. Yay. And then I have these. These are from this brand called UB. My sister put these two in these little bags that she put out at the church for all her wedding guests on her wedding day. You guys know that literally my last video is my sister's wedding vlog. But yeah, she put these little masks that say like RNC and the date and like just this little flower. And then she put these so that every guest could have their own hand sanitizer. It just comes with like a one-use bit of hand sanitizer, and I just put them. I don't really like these that much. They smell kind of weird, but yeah. And then with my Jouer order, it came with a Jouer hand-to-hand hand sanitizer wipes. So I haven't used these yet because they look pretty and I feel like they'll smell good, so I don't want to use them yet. I have gum. This is from Protectant, which is an Argentinian gum brand. I love these, and I got them because we order things off of this Argentinian website of like snacks and stuff, and I saw these in a huge pack, so I decided to get the like huge pack of Protectant, and I have Protectant for me all the time, and it's great. It's the like really strong mint flavor, and it's just awesome. I love it. Then I have my lip combo of the day. This was actually from the other day. I haven't taken it out, but this is my lip combo. This is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Stone. Super pretty color. And then also the Kim Kardashian West KKW Beauty lip liner in Love, which is from the bridal collection. And these just make the prettiest color combo like ever. Super pretty. So I love these. And then I have, last but not least, these are so random, but I have these little sticky pads that came the other day from Amazon. I bought these like non-stick, or these stick like grip things for the car so I could vlog and put my camera on them, but this did not work out. These are not great, so I just have more in here. I don't really know. You're supposed to like combine them and make like a huge row, but none of them really stuck to my car, so I don't know. I just have these for some unknown reason. That's it. I mean, there they are, but that's basically it for my bag. There's no like compartment in here, like no like zipper or anything like that, which I'm not honestly any like bit phased by because I like put everything in their own little spot anyway. But if you're looking for that, you won't find it in this bag. I will try to link this bag if it's still on sale, or not on sale, but like it's still sold. But yeah, I'll see. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go and check out my other videos. Subscribe if you're new here. I would really appreciate it and enjoy you being on my channel, being a reoccurring person on my channel. As well as my social media is always in the description below. I'm definitely trying to kind of upgrade my Instagram in a way and just kind of make it better. So definitely go check it out down in the description box and go see for yourself. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any recommendations or anything like that, let me know down in the comments below. Also in the description will be like the Amazon things that I mentioned and all that stuff, so don't worry, I'll put everything down there that I think is useful, like the straws, the contact things, all of that. But if I don't have anything in the description and you want something, let me know and I will put it down there. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright, everyone's looking like they know what they